probably gonna do a little overnight camping trip soon. Just kind of putting together my little knife setup. So got my little SOG Safari Machete. And I don't know if I like this. Let's put a little flint and steel tie on. Trying to think of a way to put it on there, but usually I put Velcro on it. Did have it just originally like lashed to my Mora, but I took it off. I don't really like this. Kind of in the way, dangling around, but just kind of experimenting with different ways to organize them and keep them together. But so yeah, I got my my Mora with the multi-mount attachment mounted to the Machete here. It's a good way to keep both of them together, you know. Can just carry one on this, you know, strap to your backpack or something, have it out, ready to go. Yeah, this Mora multi-mount's actually really cool for that. I plan on using my Mora when I do it. Yeah, just taking a little video to show it off. The Mora multi-mount just has these Velcro straps that wrap around, and they're actually really good because they're pretty customizable for how you strap it on. It's actually two separate pieces of Velcro that stick together, so you can wrap excuse me, wrap something and then adjust it however you need it to make it fit pretty much. But yeah, this multi-mount, pretty cool. Do it with another you know, another knife. I would suggest buying some Velcro, doing something similar. If you know, you could strap to backpacks, you know, whatever, your leg, maybe your arm, your forehead. Have a fucking machete on your forehead, walking through the woods. Start a fire, just headbutt something. Start headbutting your flint and steel to make a fire. But yeah, hold on. Yeah, so I buy these, pick up this cheap, you know, little Velcro squares and stick them on stuff, like either a lighter, you do it with a lighter, stick it on the back of a lighter, flint and steel, and just stick them onto like your backpack or friggin' right onto your knife. Mount it there so you can pull it off whenever you need to. Great idea in my opinion, you know. You do that, tie some fucking paracord or other rope to it. Give yourself some extra rope in case you get lost in the woods or something. But yeah, pretty sweet.